Chapter 4 Decision and Condition. First, if statement. The if statement is a far more versatile and useful way to make decisions. Instead, you use the statement to conditionally execute other statements. The simplest use of an if statement is as follows. Where test is evaluated. It must evaluate to a Boolean value for the code to compile, and the line of code that follows the statement is executed. If test evaluate to true. If test code executed. If test is true. The simple use of an if statement is as follows, where test is evaluated. It must evaluate to be a Boolean value for the code to compile, and the line of code that follows the statement is executed if test evaluate to true. If test is condition, code executed if test is true. After this code is executed, or if it isn't executed due to the test evaluating to false, program execution resume at the next line of code. Start condition. Yes, process statement. No, stop condition. You can also specify additional code using the else statement in combination with an if statement. This statement is executed if test evaluate to false. If test true, code executed if test true. Else, code executed if test is false. Both sections of code can span multiple lines using block in brush. If test true, execute statement here. Else will execute for condition. Start is condition is true, statement 1. No, statement 2, and stop. Both sections of code can span multiple lines using block in brush. As a quick example, you could rewrite the code from the last section that use the ternary operator, string, variable resultString, condition, myInteger smaller than 10 will show the result less than 10, else greater than or equal to 10. Because the result of the if statement cannot be assigned to variable, you have to assign a value to the variable in a separate state. String resultString if myInteger smaller than 10, resultString equal less than 10, else resultString greater than or equal to 10. Code such as this, although more verbose, is far easier to read and understand than the equivalent ternary form and enable far more flexibility. Checking more conditions using if statement. In the preceding example, we check it for 3 conditions involving the value of var1, discovered all possible value for this variable. Sometimes you might want to check for specific value. For example, if var1 is equal 1, 2, 3 and or 4 and so on, using code such as the preceding can result in annoyingly nested code. If var1 equal 1, do something else, execute another if statement. If var1 equal 2, do something else, execute another if statement. Okay, this is called nested if. In this situation, consider using slightly different indentation schema and constructing the section of code for the L block. That is, using a single line of code after the L block rather than a block code. That way, you end up with a structure involving else if statement. If var1 equal 1, do something else if, second condition else if, shell addition and or insert addition. For else if condition number 3, restoring another 2 condition, var1 or 3, var1 equal 4, else do something. Thank you so much for your watching. Don't forget subscribe We Learning Solution.